Hi guys, Lucas here. This is the little side model I'm going to be redoing. It is the 1/15 scale. It could be 1/16 scale New Bright back in the early 2000s. This one's running a 180 motor in the rear. Definitely going to be redoing all that. It's super slow. It's almost embarrassing to even make a video of this thing right now, but I am, just to show you before and then I'll show you after how it runs. The controller that I'm using is this thing, multifunctional. So the steering sometimes works, sometimes it doesn't. So forgive me if it's just kind of going forward and reverse. So not going to be the most inspiring videos ever, but it's an old car, and that's what I do. I restore old RC vehicles, so and make them better. All right, so without further ado, let's get this little car going. So currently it's making a little bit of noise in the rear, and that's not from the gears, that's just from the motor itself, from the bushings, or the brushes, I mean the brush. It's actually got a full charge battery pack, so no excuse on that. It's got a slight turn, so alignment's off a little bit. Could be because of the tires are a little dry rotted. But this car has such potential, I'm telling you, believe me. It can't even go with a slight incline right now. I just think that motor's had it. So, there's the New Bright 6-volt. So, don't hate me if I'm redoing something that you may love or you know about, but it needs it. This car's had it. Probably had hundreds of hours of playtime in it. So, but it is definitely the slowest car I've ever had or played with. So we're gonna leave it right there. That's the best this car gets, my friends, right now. So I'll be doing it a favor, believe me. If you guys like my videos, please hit a like, and I'd love it if you could subscribe. Can't wait to see round 2 on this bad boy with all the goodies put in. A new Tamiya RS 380 motor in it, 2.4 G electronics with a higher voltage ESC. It's going to be a speed demon, I promise you. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.